This segment is covering the features of the project window. I'll start by creating a new project by hitting the New Project button in the upper left corner. And as you can see, the main menu stays open behind as a tab, and the New Project window opens up as a new tab. The minimum amount of information required is a project name, so I will go ahead and type in demo project. And then also for this demonstration I will type in Denver, and it will actually recognize all the cities and states. I'm going to go ahead and pick Denver, Colorado. And as a project reference, you can put any of your own information in there that you wish to. Same thing for description. And then finally, under status, it will always default to design stage, but you can change that to anything from test project, which will keep it out of the reporting system, and then all the way to on order. Note the three tabs below the project information. There's General, there's Location and Access, and then there's Notes. If I click on Location and Access, it now has the information filled in for the destination rep. It also goes in and it picks elevation and design temperatures. And then there's also a section where you are able to share this with anybody. So you can start typing a name and it'll be recognized in the system. You can add that to the list of shares, and that party will be able to see the calculation. The third tab is just a general notes tab. Below the project header is where you will find a list of all the calculations that are under this project. You can have an unlimited number of calculations under each project, and then also under the quote window you'll have all the components that have been quoted with this system. So finally, some of the things we can do in the toolbar above is to create a new calculation for the project. We can also create a new quote only, where we will just select the individual components that go in. We can open a highlighted calculation. We can open a copy of a highlighted calculation. We can delete a calculation, and then also, instead of deleting the calculation, we can just remove the quoted items from that calculation. And under output, we have the ability to print. And now this will be just the header and the quote. In order to print the drawing, you will have to have the calculation itself open. And then also a very handy function is if you're in a quote and you have components selected here, you can copy those into the clipboard and then paste them into any other application, such as your own quotation form, Microsoft Excel, or any other application that accepts a table format.